Welcome to the official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, we hustle smarter. If you're chasing results, craving speed, and hungry for an edge, you're in the right place. Here, it's not just about ideas, it's about execution at light speed, powered by AI. Do you still think ChatGPT is just a chatbot? Oh, bless your digital heart. Think again. It's your creative sidekick, your productivity partner, your unfair advantage. While others scroll endlessly on social networks, you're building landing pages. While others binge watch Netflix, you're launching side hustles. This isn't about gimmicks. This is about leveraging the smartest tool of our time right now. If you're not using it, someone else is, and they're passing you by. So what can ChatGPT really do? Short answer, almost everything, except making your coffee. But give it time. Need a blog post about 5 ways to boost sales on Etsy? Done. Want a Python script that renames 1000 files? Easy. Brainstorming startup names for your new dog treat subscription box? Absolutely. Let's just say, if ChatGPT had a LinkedIn profile, it would say writer, coder, strategist, therapist, dungeon master, available 24/7. The creators cheat code content creators, lean in. This one's for you. But a single idea? Watch ChatGPT turn it into 10x tweets, 5 Instagram reels, a full blog, and a YouTube script. All the while you sip your coffee or scroll through the memes or pretend being productive. Example? Say, write a Twitter thread on the psychology of pricing. Boom! 10 engaging tweets, hooks included. Then say, turn this into a blog post. Boom again. Now ask. Summarize it into a LinkedIn post with a call to action. Do you get the picture? This is the content creator's cheat code. Let's talk about repurposing like a boss. You wrote one decent blog post about productivity hacks. Good news, ChatGPT can stretch that into a full content buffet. Turn it into a newsletter with a catchy subject line, a 90-second TikTok script, a carousel post for Instagram, a podcast episode outline, and a Medium article with SEO optimized keywords. One input, infinite outputs. Honestly, it's like cloning yourself without the ethical concerns. Running an online store or service? Sell without the sleaze. ChatGPT is your new sales copy whisperer. Need product descriptions that don't sound like they were written by a bored intern in 2004? Try this. Write a product description for eco-friendly yoga mats with a playful tone. Boom! Copy that sells and makes your customers smile. Got a digital course? It'll write your landing page, email funnel, and testimonials. Yes, even the fake ones. But don't do that. Remember, selling isn't sleazy when your copy actually connects. Marketing used to be scary, but with ChatGPT, marketing is made painless. Funnels, CTAs, ROI, acronyms everywhere. Now, it's plug and play. Need an email campaign for your new service launch? ChatGPT will draft the whole sequence. Subject lines, emojis, urgency triggers included. Running Facebook ads? Just say, write 3 variations of ad copy for a digital planner targeting busy moms. Instant ads. No need to sell your soul to a marketing agency or read a 300-page copywriting book. Freelancers and solopreneurs. Your AI sidekick awaits. Freelancers, we see you. Juggling clients, proposals, deadlines, invoices, and probably your cat. Need to write a pitch email that doesn't sound desperate? Let ChatGPT handle it. Fix a code bug that's haunted you for days? Just describe the problem. Boom! Solution. Your client thinks you're a genius. You know, it's ChatGPT. Your secret's safe here. Solopreneurs, we know you are wearing multiple hats. But with ChatGPT, it feels like you've got a whole team behind you. CEO by day, copywriter by night, social media manager on the weekend. Let AI take a few of those hats off your plate. Here's the real secret. It's all in the prompt, the magic words. ChatGPT is smart, but you have to talk to it right. Say, act like a brand strategist and write a positioning statement for a tech startup. Or be a TEDx coach and structure this messy idea into a 10-minute speech. It's not about learning how to code. It's about learning how to ask better questions. Prompting is the new power skill. Master it and you unlock everything. Multiply your output. What if you could get a week's worth of work done by Wednesday? With ChatGPT, you can. Writers, imagine banging out an entire ebook draft in one afternoon. Developers, Imagine testing 10 versions of your code before lunch. Coaches, imagine prepping client content and marketing in half the time. You're not working harder, you're working exponentially. Real hustlers, real results. Let's keep it real. This isn't theory. Writers are using ChatGPT to self-publish books in 30 days. Coders are building SaaS products and AI tools from scratch. Creators are batching content for months in advance. People just like you, using AI to get ahead, stay ahead, and never burn out again. At Official AI Hustle Club, we're not just hyping up AI. We're teaching you how to use it strategically, creatively, profitably. You'll learn how to prompt like a pro, what tools are worth your time, how to automate your hustle, and how to stay ahead of the game without losing sleep. This is not a trend. It's a shift in how we work, create, and win. Subscribe to the Official AI Hustle Club. Every week we drop actionable tips, smart tools, and AI-powered ideas you can use today. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. And if this video made you chuckle and think, drop a comment. We read them all. Don't just watch the AI wave. Ride it. Surf it. Build on it. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.